Hey guys, it's Cracking Kumon back with another video. Today we're doing E23a and E23b. Let's crack on. So, for this question, all you have to do, you get the 2, you bring it over here, so you have the 2. Now, you do 5 plus 5, which is 10, over 6. Now, you have to do 10 over 6. It's the same as 6 goes into 10 once, with a remainder of 4 over 6. So you have to remember these steps carefully. Get the 2, because it's another 2 whole numbers in front of it. Now just plus it with the 1, make it a 3. 3 and 4 over 6. Now, find a number that 4 and 6 are both divisible by, and it is the highest number that they are both divisible by. That number would be 2. 4 goes into 2 and 6 goes into 2. 4 goes into 2 twice. 2 goes into 4 twice. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 7 plus 3 is 10. Bring the 2 over, bottom one stays the same. 2 and 10 over 8. 8 goes into 10 once, with a remainder of 2 over 8. Get the 1 and 2 over 8, plus it with the 2, 3 and 2 over 8. 2 goes into both 2 and 8, and it's the highest number that goes into them, whole number. So it would be 3 and 1/4. 3 plus nothing is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 stays the same. Now, do you have 12 over 8, which is the same as 1 and 4 over 8? Because 8 goes into 12 once, with a remainder of 4 over 8. So now you have 1 and 4 over 8. And now, get that, and plus it with 3. 4. Right, I'm having issues. 4 and 4 over 8. That equals, that's the same as, equals, same thing. 4 divided by 4 and 8 divided by 4. 4 and 4 divided by 4 is 1 over 8 divided by 4 is 2. 3 plus nothing is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9 over 9. Bottom one stays the same. Now that equals, the top and the bottom are both the same, so that's equal to 1. We get the 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. 7 plus 8 is 15 over 9, because the bottom one stays the same. And we have 15 over 9, which is the same as 1 and 6 over 9. You have 1 and 6 over 9, plus it with the 4, 5 and 6 over 9. 6 can be divisible by 3, and 9 can be divisible by 3, and that's the number that the highest that they both go into. So it would be 5 and 2 over 3. 5 and 2/3. 4 plus nothing is 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. Over 10 stays the same at the bottom. 16 goes into 10 once, remainder 6 over 10. Get that number, plus it with 4, 5 and 6 over 10. Highest number that goes into 6 and highest number that goes into 10 has to be the same on both sides, is 2. So 5 and 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 10 divided by 2, 5. 5 plus nothing is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12 over 11. You have 12 over 11 is the same as 1 and 1 over 11. You have 1 and 1 over 11 plus 5, which is equal to 6 and 1 over 11. 2 plus nothing is 2. 7 plus 5 is 12 over 8, which is equal to, so 12 over 8. 8 goes into 12 once, with a remainder of 4 over 8. 1 and 4 over 8 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 4 over 8. 4 and 8 both go into 2, they both go into 1, and they both go into 4. But the highest number that they both go into is 4. So divide them both by 4. 3 and 1 over 2 is your answer. Next question. For this one, 5 plus 5 is 10, 4 plus nothing is 4, over 8, bottom one stays the same. 10 over 8, 8 goes into 10 once, with a remainder of 2 over 8. 1 and 2 over 8 plus 4 is equal to 5, and 2 over 8. 2 and 8 can both be divided by 2, and that's the highest number that they can both be divided by. So 5 and 1 over 4. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 over 9, which is equal to 12 over 9 is equal to 1 and 3 over 9. 1 and 3 over 9 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 3 over 9. 3 and 9 can both be divided by 3, and that's the highest number that they can both be divisible by. So it's 5 and 1/3. 5 plus nothing is 5. 2 plus 8 is 10 over 9. 10 over 9 is the same as 1 and 1 over 9. Get 1 and 1 over 9, plus by 5, 6 and 1 over 9. Since they're both these numbers, there's not a number that can go into both of them. That means that's your answer. And also, just remember you can't do it by 1. Or if you do it by 1, let's just do an example. 6 brings 6 over. 1 divided by 1 is 1. And 9 divided by 9 is 1. As many times as you do that, you'll always get 6 and 1 over 9. So don't try, you could last your whole life. 3 plus nothing is 3. 7 plus 9 is 16 over 10, which is equal to 16 over 10 is equal to 1 and 6 over 10. 1 and 6 over 10 plus 3 is 4 and 6 over 10 equals 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 4 and 3 over 5. 4 and 3/5. 3 plus nothing is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10 over 10. Since the top and bottom are both the same, it equals 1. Get the 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus nothing is 3. 4 plus 5 is 9 over 11. Since the top one is the small number and the bottom one is bigger, you can't make it reduce it anymore. And since there's no numbers apart from 1 that both go into 9 and 11, that means that's your answer. Final question. 2 plus nothing is 2. 11 plus 7 is 18 over 13. 18 over 13 is equal to 1 and 5 over 13. 1 and 5 over 13 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 5 over 13. And since there's no numbers that both go into 5 and both go into 13, that means that is your answer, 3 and 5 over 13. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed and actually understood something more than enjoying. If you did enjoy, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like if you do want to. That will help me out a lot. If you want a certain video, just comment it. I'll be happy to help. Thank you. Bye.